What's up, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy LB and welcome back to my new tutorial video. Guys, I'm gonna show you how to change any color of subject in DaVinci Resolve. For here on this timeline, you see this is how my clip it is. So now the things I'm gonna do, I'm gonna jump in the color panel. So here I'm in edit panel, so now I have to jump in the color panel. So now you have to click here on it. We're gonna see two ways. So the first way, you have to go here on this icon which is called color warper. So you have to click here on it, and then this color warper, how it works, you see guys, it has more different points. Okay, that means this point which is on red color, it means yes, it represents the LED which is in this video. We have just, I don't know how it's called, we have green, blue, purple, something like this. For example, if I want to change like red which is on my frame, I have to move this point like this. You see guys, the LED which is in my frame, you see, is changing something like that. Okay, so we have to Control Z. I told you I just want to change this green, so the point which I'm gonna use is this one which is on the green. So I have to pick this point because my grace is very saturated. That reason why I have to pick. You see guys, when I try to use this qualify, you see there is some points which comes here. You see guys, so I have to pick this point which is on the green, very saturated. So when I try to move into blue, you see guys what I get. In red, you see there is something which is changed. Okay, when I try to move, yes, to rotate this point, you see the grace is changed only. Okay, that means it is the green which is in this video. For example, when I try to move on this other frame, when I'm on other frame, you see guys, the green one is already changed. Okay, just you keep moving, you see guys, yeah, what kind of the look that you want. Okay, so when I come back here, so this is the first way which you can use for changing any color. Okay, the second method, now you go here on these curves. Okay, and you go here on the curves, and then you go here on who versus who, you press on it. Okay, and then here you will see some different points of the colors. Okay, as you know, I'm going to change the green, so I have to choose the green. Okay, now you see I receive 3 points, so I have to use the middle one. Okay, when you try to move it up, you see there is some change guys, but here there is some mistake or some errors which is on my grace. So that reason why I have to pick this green and red, sorry, and yellow, because there is some yellow colors on this grass. So the things I have to do when I try to move it up like this or move down, okay, now I have to move down just a few little bit about this one. Okay, something like this. Now you see there is some change. Okay, now you see all grasses, it changed directly. So here I can add like manual point which is not, it will not affect my skin. For example, when I try to move it down just like this, you see even the skin is already affected. So I have to move this point which must hold, it's like to hold, yes, it's like the border, yes, about this red one. So and then you have to move it down. You see guys, now all green color is already changed. When you move up like this, and then you have to move up, and this one too, you see now you receive the best one. So even this clip, you see there is some change on it, and then when I move it down again, also you see there is something's changed on this second frame. So guys, this is how you can change this color of any object in DaVinci Resolve. Easy one guys, you will use any way that which is very easy to use. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Let me know what you think. See you in next video. Peace.